Hey YouTube, so I'm coming to you today. I have 2 hours before sundown and got home a little bit late from work, but if you've been following me, I have installed a 35-inch tire onto my truck. The truth is, I've been prepping my truck for a 35-inch tire, and like most Toyotas, when you go up on tire, Toyota has an issue with fitting bigger tires into their wheel well. So here I don't have any issues in the back, but here this is what I'm running into. You see this space right here? I only have an inch of clearance here, and you see this part right here? I've shaved this part already. However, I only have 1 finger of clearances here. So what I'm afraid of is if my suspension oscillate up and down when I am turning, making a right turn, I'm afraid this little thing right here might nick the tire, and that's not good. So what I have to do now is I'm gonna have to make room for this. So what I need to do is I need to shave more metal off, right? And I need to cut my rock slider yay far. Okay, this far. Okay, so that leaves more room for my tire to oscillate up and down. So in this video, that's what I'm doing. It's nothing a welder, plasma cutter, and a hammer can fix. So that's what I'll be doing. I have only 2 hours of light left. I thought I'd make this video so that if you are running into a situation like mine, that maybe this idea may help you. Okay, so if you're interested, let's have some fun. Guys, so this is what I did. Draw a little template for that tube. Okay, so it's not a square cut, and so therefore it's not a square template. What I did is I drew this template onto this piece of metal. I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to weld this there. And that's going to be that. Alright. Okay guys, so cut down the little piece of metal here. We're gonna go and weld that to that tube that we cut, the rock slider, and let's go and do it right now. Okay, so we're gonna weld this here, this plate there. I'll get my glove and we'll get into the action. Okay guys, so it's done. It's not the best weld because I'm welding at a very rare angle. So now I'm going to paint this area right here and that, and I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so I am using a rubber undercoating, rust, resist rust, rubberized and paintable. It's by Rust-Oleum. Okay, so here we go. See that? It's so hot. Yeah. How's that be? It's good. There you go. Tomorrow it'll be good to drive. And then let's put the tire in and show you how it looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. Here, cut that thing like I said I would. Okay, the rock slider there, the end. And as you can see here, remember earlier, it was about the size of my one finger right here, the distance here. Now it's a little bit over 2 fingers. Okay, so that's how much clearance I am able to produce. And we're gonna test drive it. If this is scraping against this, I'm gonna have to cut this corner off to make room. Fabricate a new piece of metal to make room for it. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. I'll let you know how this thing works when I take it off-road. If it still rubs, I'll have to cut it. I'll let you know, okay? So yeah, like and subscribe so that you can see what I'm gonna be doing next. So, and of course I did it to the other side as well, and I'll show you here. Cut that side as well, and I cleared 3 finger space off of this bad boy here on this side. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are.